Misty Robotics, a Sphero spin-off, that has just announced Misty I Developer Edition. It is an advanced personal robot, easily programmable and affordable. Misty I will send the selected developers next month for $1,499. Misty Robotics plans to continue with a more polished Misty II later in the year, aimed at a wider audience. Misty's true heart is the occipital structured light sensor on her forehead, which she can use to create a map of her environment. It also has a camera for recognizing faces and objects, 3 far-field microphones, flight time obstacle avoidance sensors in the front and rear, and 2 different Snapdragon processors to perform heavy calculation tasks. It has an LCD screen to show a face, and you can increase it with your own electronic devices and sensors. There is a mount on the back and the bot has serial and USB ports.